Hello and welcome to Zion Foodtrucks. Look at another very exciting project that we are shipping out today. This one's going out to Montana. It's going to do fried chicken and fried chicken sandwiches. It's got a very beautiful wrap decals, if I might say so. It's a 14-foot truck. On the outside is a electronic menu display that of course can be closed when not in use. Serving window of course with a shelf on the outside. That's how you would drain water. It's how you would fill water. Check out the graphics. I thought that was beautiful. On this side is a refrigerator, reach-in refrigerator. Freezer, my bad, sorry, not refrigerator. A sandwich prep to make chicken fried sandwiches, of course. Griddle to make the sandwiches in. Chef base, which is essentially a refrigerator. 2 fryers to fry the chicken in. A breading station. A refrigerator to keep the drinks in, or a drink fridge. And here is a hot holding box. They do catering as well, so the idea is that they can pre-bake or par cook the chicken and carry it to the destination. As always, all our equipment, all our electrical wiring, they are in conduits, and every piece of equipment has its own breaker. That's why there are so many breakers in our food trucks. Generator box, which is of course fashioned like a table and with trims all around. 3 compartment sink, hand wash sink, water heater, and the water tanks. This one's going to Montana, so it has additional cold weather prep. Right there is a K series fire extinguisher, ABC fire extinguisher, and a little service table on this side. Of course, the fire suppression system is with the hood as well. Since it has 2 fairly large fryers, that's why the fire suppression system is so big, this one. Forgot to show you the AC. AC has heat as well. And LED lights. These are special LED lights in that they don't cast a shadow. Floor is aluminum diamond plate. All walls are stainless steel. If you have any questions, or if you would like such a truck or a trailer for yourself, do contact us through our website, zionfoodtrucks.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.